The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike combines the benefits of working out in a relaxed and comfortable seating position. Many of the features found on larger, more expensive recumbent exercise bikes are present on the ME709. The recumbent seating position keeps you comfortable throughout your workout, so you stay motivated to push further. Shape, firm, and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Features include smooth, quiet, magnetic resistance, 8 preset levels of resistance, a comfortable seat with oversized pads, fully adjustable for people with different leg lengths. An easy-to-read computer displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. A step-through frame design makes it easy to get in and out. The Marcy ME709 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout.
Introducing the Exerpeutic 900 XL Extended Capacity Magnetic Recumbent Bike from Exerpeutic Fitness. The Exerpeutic Recumbent Bike is a comfortable way to work out with its ease of use and extra-large back support. But not all recumbent exercise bikes are created equal. The Exerpeutic Magnetic Recumbent Bike is designed to be a heavy-duty bike that can handle up to 325 pounds of user weight with a wider, comfortable seat, more comfortable backrest cushioning, and magnetic resistance for challenging workouts. It also includes hand pulse pads for measuring and targeting heart rate zones, all at a very affordable price. As you can see, the step-through design from Exerpeutic makes it very easy to get on and off the bike, giving you a more effective and efficient workout. Its 8-level magnetic tension control system allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult exercise routine. The smooth torque cranking system provides a reliable and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a continuous and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference or distractions. The Exerpeutic Recumbent Bike is designed to give you comfort and safety when exercising. The seat cushion and back support can be adjusted for users of any size easily and for users up to 6'3". A larger pedal design with safety straps prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping when exercising. Transportation wheels are included for moving the recumbent bike to any location. And more, the Exerpeutic Recumbent Bike comes with a computer monitor with an LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and pulse to stay within your target heart rate zone while working out. So there you have it. Our Exerpeutic high-capacity magnetic recumbent bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 3-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's work out and get fit.
Now you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn fitness into your home. Introducing the new Schwinn 270 recumbent bike. It blends an intuitive design with user-friendly technology to make your cardio workout smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable. The new 270 makes your workout smarter thanks to a sleek new console that's loaded with features like Bluetooth connectivity, which instantly syncs your time, distance, calories, and heart rate with our free Schwinn Trainer app. You can seamlessly connect your workout results to your favorite apps. And with 29 preset fitness programs and 25 levels of resistance to choose from, challenge and motivation are right at your fingertips. With the new 270, your workout feels smoother because Schwinn quality and comfort are built right in. Solidly constructed from the ground up, it features a walk-through base, upgraded pedals with wider platforms and foot straps, and a padded seat with ventilated back and lumbar support. Plus, its high-speed, high-inertia drive system makes for easy startup and quiet, consistent workouts. With the 270's dual backlit LCD displays, you can keep an eye on your progress while reading a book, listening to music, or watching a movie, and stay fully charged thanks to its built-in USB port. With the addition of Bluetooth, The new 270 is VR compatible, opening up a whole new 3D virtual world to explore without ever leaving your home. All of which makes your workout more enjoyable. The new Schwinn 270 Recumbent Bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn Fitness for the good life.
Introducing the Exerpeutic 400 XL folding recumbent bike with LCD display and pulse monitor from Paradigm Health and Wellness. Getting in shape doesn't need a lot of space in your house. The Exerpeutic Space Saver folding recumbent bike is your solution. It's designed as semi-recumbent, is very easy to get on and off the bike, and provides a more effective and comfortable workout. And it will fold to half the size when you want to store it. Plus, it's easy to move with the included transportation wheels. Here's what you can also expect from the Exerpeutic Space Saver folding recumbent bike. The 8-level magnetic tension control system that allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult workout. A 3-piece high-torque cranking system provides a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a smooth and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference. It's designed to give you comfort and safety while exercising. The large seat cushion and backrest are for users of any size and are adjustable to fit 5'2" to 6'2" user height. The larger pedal design with safety strap prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping. It can support a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. It even comes with an easy-to-read, large window 3.3-inch LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and heart rate monitor, including hand pulse monitor. So there you have it. Our Exerpeutic Space Saver folding recumbent bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 1-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get busy.
Commit to get fit with the easy adjustable seat recumbent bike. Slide rail and easy adjust lever make moving the seat seamless. Soft grip handles with pulse sensors help to stabilize and calculate heart rate. Easy-to-use LCD monitor provides many features to monitor your workout. Tension control knob easily adjusts 8 levels of resistance. Maximum comfort with large cushioned back and seat. Self-leveling pedals with adjustable straps make placing your feet in and out simple and easy. Made for a variety of users with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Fitness made easy with the easy adjustable seat recumbent bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy recumbent bike, a great addition to your home gym. Let's take a look. To adjust the seat position, loosen and pull the knob. Before you start your workout, be sure to adjust the straps on the pedals for a safe ride. For added safety and comfort, use the handles. To adjust the intensity of your workout, choose from 8 resistance levels. When you're done with your workout, you can move and store your recumbent bike using the transport wheels.